Hi dear, welcome back to another video of Heart Coding. Today in this video we are going to show this website that I created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And you can see this is very pretty website with some beautiful animation. And obviously I will make it responsive for all devices. If you like this website, so please subscribe this channel. And if you want to get this website template, so please check description box. I will provide the purchase link of this website description below. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe this channel for more this type of video. And thanks for watching.